In 2002, a wave of innovation was sweeping through the business world, giving rise to many groundbreaking companies. Among these new ventures was an extraordinary one founded by Elon Musk, an entrepreneur who had already made a name for himself through his success with PayPal. With a bold vision and an unwavering determination, Musk decided to embark on an audacious journey by founding a rocket company named SpaceX. Elon Musk's fascination with space began in his early childhood. Growing up in South Africa, Musk was an avid reader, often immersing himself in science fiction novels that sparked his imagination. This passion for space was coupled with a profound concern for the future of humanity. Musk worried about the sustainability of life on Earth, fearing that overpopulation, environmental degradation, and potential global catastrophes could threaten the survival of the human race. These concerns drove him to think beyond our planet and consider the possibilities of life beyond Earth. After earning $175 million from the sale of PayPal, Musk set his sights on loftier goals. In 2002, he founded Space Exploration Technologies Corp., better known as SpaceX. The primary mission of SpaceX was to reduce the cost of space travel and eventually establish a human colony on Mars. Musk believed that making space travel more affordable was crucial for humanity's future, envisioning a time when interplanetary travel would be as routine as air travel. Gathering a team of talented engineers and visionaries, Musk set out to build the most cost-effective rocket ever, the Falcon 1. This rocket was named after the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars, reflecting Musk's love for science fiction. The Falcon 1 project was an immense challenge, requiring innovative solutions and relentless perseverance. After 4 years of development, the Falcon 1 launched for the first time on March 24, 2006. Unfortunately, it failed to reach orbit. Despite the setback, Musk announced he had the budget for 3 launches. The second launch on March 21, 2007, also failed due to the second stage not reaching the necessary velocity for orbit, and the third flight encountered similar issues. Facing financial strains, Musk urged his team to attempt one final launch. On the fourth flight, the Falcon 1 successfully reached orbit on September 28, 2008. This monumental achievement caught the attention of NASA, which awarded SpaceX a contract worth $1.6 billion to develop further their capabilities. With this funding, SpaceX upgraded their rocket to the Falcon 5, which featured 5 engines instead of 1. Although this design was intended primarily for launching satellites, the team soon decided to enhance the rocket further, resulting in the Falcon 9, equipped with 9 engines. The Falcon 9 was revolutionary as Musk envisioned it returning and landing autonomously on a ship at sea. After numerous failed attempts, SpaceX made history on December 21, 2015, by successfully landing the Falcon 9, marking the first time a rocket had landed itself, a feat previously seen only in science fiction. 5 years later, NASA contracted SpaceX again, this time for $2.6 billion to transport astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS. SpaceX responded by developing the Dragon spacecraft, essentially a capsule mounted atop the Falcon 9. The project faced delays due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but on May 30, 2020, astronauts Doug Hurley and Robert Behnken launched aboard the Dragon to the ISS. This mission, known as Demo 2, was a historic milestone, as it was the first crewed orbital spaceflight launched from the United States since the end of the Space Shuttle program in 2011. Since then, SpaceX has conducted over 8 more crewed flights, further establishing its reputation as a leader in space transportation. Following the success of the Dragon program, SpaceX turned its focus to an even more ambitious project, the Starship. This colossal rocket stands over 120 meters tall and boasts a payload capacity of 150 tons. Designed to take humans to the Moon and Mars, the Starship aims to enable the establishment of a lunar base, and a Martian colony. The vision for Starship includes it being fully reusable, significantly reducing the cost of space travel and making interplanetary colonization feasible. Despite several test flights, which have progressively improved, the Starship has yet to achieve complete success in re-entry and landing. Musk's vision for the Starship is for it to be fully reusable with a crew capacity of over 100 people. He hopes this groundbreaking rocket will ultimately enable humanity to explore Mars and beyond. Elon Musk's journey with SpaceX is a testament to his belief in the power of perseverance and innovation. From the early days of struggling to reach orbit with the Falcon 1 to the successful crewed missions to the ISS and the ambitious plans for Starship, the dream of reaching Mars and beyond becomes ever more tangible,